TCOMAS is already a very heavily established brand for cooling in mainland China. It's a top tier brand. We're currently trying to expand into the global market. So to start, this is the Exit D3. So first thing, all of TCOMAS's AIO coolers have a 29 millimeter full aluminum radiator. So that's just standard for all of our AIO coolers. With the D3, the standard fan, which is still a very high-end fan, is going to be 3,000 RPM max performance. So this is called the FC700. With the names, so you'll notice a lot of the names are like numbers and things because that's how they do it in China. But so we're actually, as we're moving towards global, we will actually be adding more globally recognizable names. But for now, we're using the Chinese names because that's what we have. So our Pro fans, these, as you can see, are, we have a model that's not on because I don't want to hurt myself, but basically I'll show you on this side, but these are a higher performance fan. You can actually purchase these as a one piece or as a three piece, and then, or you can actually get either of our flagship coolers, a Pro version that comes standard with the Pro fans. But the basic version just comes with our normal fan. So with the Exit D3, what you'll notice is our triple display screen. So this is 3.95 inch, and each panel is 480 by 480 resolution. And what's really cool about this is our symmetrical magnetic connector. So you can just, if I can do it, sorry, you can just snap it right off. And so now what you'll see is you can actually adjust the height. So you can, for whatever your orientation is for your system, maybe you need more headroom for your water block or whatever, right? You can just adjust the height, and then you can and so you'll see there's actually a USB Type-C connector right there. The block has the connector goes to your USB header on your motherboard. Very simple, right? And then you can just pop it right back on. You can line it up correctly. There you go.
Take your time.
Yeah, no, it's fine. Oh, it's because I lowered it.
All right. And you've got Pikachu.
With this display, with our software, you can actually customize this in 3 different orientations. So first, you can do each screen as its own separate custom thing, or you can do where the 2, I guess we'll say horizontal screens, are one coordinated video, and then the flat screen or the floor screen is its own. You can do your own MP4 or JPEG or whatever, and you can also add performance data over that if you want to. And so that brings me over now to our Neox. So this is our other flagship product. So this same radiator, again, aluminum 29 millimeter. This one has what we call our M1 fans. These are a step above the standard fan, but they're not as good as our Pro fans. So our Pros are going to be our best fans. Now this is, otherwise the pump mechanism, the block is the same block as for the Exit D3. Now with this screen, this is 6.6 inches. It's 2K resolution and 60 hertz refresh rate. You can set either, as you see, one continuous video, or you can actually dual screen this, so you could have 2 separate videos. Same thing, you can use our software and fully customize it. Another thing about our software is that it recognizes the actual type of screen. So what you can actually do, same thing, you can pull this off. Also has the, you can change the, the thing, but you could actually do something like this, where you could take this off, and then you could put it here. Actually, let's do it that way. And so it recognizes what type of screen you've hooked. So with your software, you'll set for if it's this type of screen or if it's this type of screen, and then when you switch it'll recognize which one, and then it'll play that video. Now, each cooler only comes with one of the screens, obviously, so you would have to buy the other ones. We don't currently sell them as separate, just the screen, but that is an accessory that I do hope we'll do in the future, where you could just go buy. You might have noticed this thing. So this is actually a modded one. It's not, so this is not a current product. This is actually a custom made one. I do hope one day though that we'll just sell this as a separate accessory that you could just mod your own and then make it a more moddable product. I do hope we do that one day. Also, this has the adjustability as well. Yeah. And let me.
Sorry. So you're saying that those videos that they're playing, those preloaded into this?
No, they're in the computer. So So you use our software on your motherboard, and then you will set what the video is for that thing. So that's why if I switch it to this computer, it will play the same video because it's set on both. But I could change this to a different video for this type of screen, and then it would recognize that as well. Right? Now we also have, they're still in prototype, but we are going into chassis. And so we actually have 2 chassis currently in the works. The first is called the UGP. So this is this one. This will be a full tempered glass. The prototype is not, but the final one will be. And this again is our Neox cooler again. What I don't have on this specific mod, because it's a mod, is it will actually come with a screen that is, I want to say it's 9 inches, and it's magnetic, so you can actually place it anywhere you want on the case, or even outside of the case, and it will use a USB connector. And so that will come with it. Then we also have this case, which is the Flow, this red one over here. So again, this is a modded version, but if you look at the front of that version, you'll see that there's a screen on the PSU shroud. That screen will be standard with the case. This will be aluminum, high precision, high performance cases. And now I can show you, actually that computer would be better. I do have the software, so if you want to look at it, it's in Chinese, but I do have. This is what our software looks like. I don't have an English version, sorry, but you can, like I said, you can set it, however you kind of want to. Why aren't you letting me? There we go. So you can put, if you want to put any performance data over the background, you can set. You can do, static. You can do, your own customized videos. It's fully, customizable. You do whatever you want with it. And so then that, if we can go over to the other side, if they're not still filming, I can show you more about the fans and our air coolers. But do you have any questions?
So if you're very well established, how soon, or do you already have a spattering of followings inside, outside of the mainland?
So we don't have a huge following outside of the mainland. We already do have some channel development, like UK, other parts of Europe. I'm not sales, I'm marketing, so I don't know. I don't know all the specific. But yes, we already do have. Yeah, Malaysia we do for sure because one of our sales was here earlier. I don't know about the rest of the region, but I can find out for you. Isaac would know.
In regards to software, then if you already have some presence in the region, does that mean you also have software that is tailored in the language of choice?
We only have English and Chinese right now.
So, I mean, that's the other question. I mean, that was specifically what I was about to ask. You do have English.
Oh yeah. No, we do have English software. It's just this setup was set up for Chinese because of COMPUTEX, and the team that set it up did Chinese. But yes, we do have an English version. Okay. Daisy chain, interchangeable. Right? You can feel them, they're very heavy duty, you can feel the quality. Ooh, yeah, very high end. Yeah.
Jesus. Yeah, I'm trying to keep my PC light. Holy shit, the fans are metal.
Yes. These are very high performance, very durable. These will give you much better than just about anybody else on the market.
Shit, I wasn't expecting this. Do you sell them individually then?
Yeah, you can buy 1 piece or 3 piece.
On average, how much does one of them cost?
I would need to check the cost for that one. Just a second. These are actually newer prototypes that aren't market yet. These ones are, I believe, already on the market. This one is only 5 copper pipes, but otherwise it's the same cooler. So what's nice about this is you can actually, as you can see, now like the coolers have gotten so big that often the RAM is fit, you can actually slide it up so that you can have whatever space you need for the RAM. This model, we have 2 versions. One is with the full screen and then one with this digital display. And same thing, you can slide the fan up to make room for your DRAM, but again, these are still in prototype. You can also remove the screen. I don't know how to do it, but they showed me. Yeah, there it is. So you can both pop off either one. There we go. All right. And then, so like I said, these are our products that already exist in the China market. So these are already, we consider these our entry levels, but these already are in market. A brand new product still in prototype but coming soon. It's, as you see, it's very similar to the XD3, but this one actually is sort of cost down, right? Where you only have 1 digital display screen And then you also have, if you look here, this is just the liquid temperature on this screen, right? So it's, you know, not as, you know, high end. It doesn't have 3 screens, but still very practical, very useful, and you still have some customization for your aesthetics.